My name is Rebecca. Welcome if you are new, or welcome back if you are an old friend. This year I'm adding greenery into my outdoor living area by doing some faux gardening, and I'm starting my project off with 2 toilet plungers from the Dollar Tree. I am aiming for something realistic, beautiful, and heavy enough to hold up against the strong winds that we have in southwest Missouri. I am using acrylic paint to paint the handle a dark brown. Any acrylic paint will work. I purchased this paint in a 20-pack at Ross for $19.99. You do the math. That's a great deal. And I painted 2 coats on the handle. At first, I didn't paint all the way to the head of the plunger, but I did go back and fix that because I realized that you could see a gap and it stuck out like a sore thumb. The hanging plant hangers from the Dollar Tree are the perfect size for my project, so I am using 2, but I am not using the chain. I found this 20 by 20 artificial hedge panel at the at-home store for $9.99 a panel. I purchased 2, and I'm going to zip tie the panel to the hanging plant hangers. I started in the middle of the Boxwood grid and brought my zip ties up through the grid and secured them around the bottom of the plant hanger. Then I ran a zip tie through each corner of the panel, pulled it as tightly as I could toward the center, and secured it to the middle of the plant hanger. Any odd inconsistencies in the shape can be easily reshaped by hand or left to look more natural.
Oh, I've heard every tale, every love song out there about the birds and the bees. Oh, could it happen to someone like me? All the stories, all the books say it happens, you don't have to look. So I'm waiting for the day when love comes my way. In my dreams, in my sleep, I have him and he has me. We could walk down the street, holding hands, oh so sweet. When love comes my way, we'll be the leaves to the trees. We won't budge for the breeze, like the tides from the sea always come faithfully. When love comes my way, I'll live in color, no more gray. When love comes my way, when love comes my way, it's never winter, only May. When love comes, when love comes, when love comes my way.
After I had the edges all zip tied securely around the hanging planter, the hedge panel formed a ball, and I pushed the plunger inside. I worked the hedge around the head of the plunger until it was inside the plant hanger tightly. I did not have to secure the plunger inside with anything, and it just holds it inside with the greenery that is in place. At Lowe's, I purchased 60 pounds of concrete mix. I mixed it with water in a bucket, and I divided the concrete between two $5 Dollar Tree trash cans. Before the concrete set, I added 3 boxwood stems that I purchased at Walmart for $1.97 a piece, and I just kind of spread them out at the base of the planter. These turned out so beautiful. They are UV resistant, they will be wind tolerant, and unless you are up close and personal, you will never know that they are not real. I have been pricing planters this size, and they were a bit pricey, and I did not feel that they would tolerate our weather appropriately. What I have in these 2 heavy-duty planters is less than what most stores are asking for one of the same size, but does not have the substance. I'm always doing something, and I share it with my friends, so hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.